front of me is Motorola Edge 16 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, you need to launch settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Device Unlock, and when you're ready, click Screen Lock. Now you need to select one of those login methods by tapping on the best one for you: pattern, PIN, or password. Create it. If you made a mistake, hit clear at the bottom left corner and redo it correctly. When you're sure you are done, choose Next at the bottom right one and repeat your login method to confirm it. Then tap on Confirm button. Now, to adjust lock screen notifications, answer this question by tapping on one of the available options. What do you want your lock screen to show? Show all notifications on lock screen, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!